Equipment deals here. We have a 2012 Bobcat T750 2-speed unit, standard flow. It's got pretty nice tracks on it, good undercarriage. All the rollers seem to be in good shape, no leaking from them. 3,298 hours is what it's showing on the meter. I just pulled the dipstick out, got oil all over the place, but oil's clean, no glitter or material in there. New battery. Runs clean, no blow-by. That shuts pretty well in the rear. There's some surface rust here. No overheating issues of any sort. Runs good there. 12 model T750. As you can see, a 2-speed. Tracks are in pretty decent shape. They got some dry cracking going on, but they still runs and functions as it should. This is an AC unit, and the AC is working. Does have a hydraulic quick connect coupler, and it's working as it should. $1,040 on the RPMs. Go ahead and get you a quick operations video on this unit as well. As you can see, mechanically the machine in good shape. Haven't noticed any big major leaks of any sort, or any leaks at all for that matter. So go ahead and take a look here and see this unit in action. Said sorry. As you can see, this 2012 T750 enclosed drop skid steer runs and operates as it should. All the 2-speeds working as it should. The AC is blowing cold. Is it ice cold? Probably not. But I don't know any equipment that does have ice cold AC, especially in this Texas heat. So if you're interested in this unit, it's located here in Lufkin, Texas. So give us a call, 972-666-9501 and 1-855-EQ-DEALS. Thank you.